Good morning, students. Today's our topic is Bernoulli distribution. Bernoulli distribution is a discrete probability distribution model that make a random variable event with only two possible outcome, that is success and failure. Success is represented as 1 and failure is represented as 0, given by Jacob Bernoulli. The probability of success is P and failure is 1 minus P. So a random variable y follows the Bernoulli distribution. If y take the value 1, success with probability P, and the value 0 if there is a failure with probability 1 minus P. The main properties are mean equal to P, variance y equal to P 1 minus P. For example, we can take, let y represent the indicator getting heads when tossing a coin. If the value of y become 1, if head, then probability is P. If y equal to 0, if fail, with probability 1 minus P. The indicator of passing a test, y equal to 1 and y equal to 0, a failure. So, good morning students, myself Dr. Ajay Bhatia. Today we are discussing the concept, formula and the real life example of Bernoulli distribution. We also taking the 5 MCQs in this. In our next volume, volume 2, you will get more MCQ. So, what is a Bernoulli distribution? Bernoulli distribution, as I already told you, it follows a discrete probability distribution with two possible outcomes: success 1, failure 0. We can take the example of coin. Notation and formula. If probability x equal to 1, then it is P. Probability x equal to 0, then it is 1 minus P. The mean the value of P and variance is P 1 minus P. So students, these are the main formulas used in the Bernoulli distribution. If we discuss its key features, it has only two outcomes. One trial, mean is P, variance is P into 1 minus P. Special case of binomial, n equal to 0. Example, we can take tossing a coin. If head means success, then it is 1. Failure, if tail, 0. So probability will be 0.5. Mean will be 0.5 and the variance is, using the before formula, variance will be 0.25, that is P into 1 minus P. Second example, we can take student examination. If student pass, it is 1, if it fail, 0. Probability will be 0.8, EX will be 0.8 and variance will be 0.16. It is also used in quality control, patient recovery, ad clicks and exam answering questions. Students, we have already covered Econometrics 1 to 17 series, so please look at that series. Summary, we can say there are only two outcomes: easy mean and variance, and foundation for the other distribution. As per the student request, we are taking in continuous model Bernoulli, Poisson and binomial distribution. Stay tuned with our IEMS Academy. Check your understanding, giving 4 MCQ questions. First, which of the following is the outcome in Bernoulli trial? A. Success, B. Error, C. Defeat, D. Loss. Bernoulli distribution, second question. Bernoulli distribution represent A repeated experiment, 2 possible outcome, C a count of events, D more than 2 events. So students, please see the videos in our next volume, volume 10. We will come with 10 Bernoulli MCQs which are often asked in the competitive paper. So stay tuned and subscribe to IEMS Academy. If you have any query, please write back in the comment box. Thank you.